Tanuj, welcome to Times Network. It's lovely seeing you. This young man
Always
is
good seeing you,
going
sir.
to become a father.
Yes. Cannot wait for it. Really excited about that.
So tell me, सबसे पहले किसको न्यूज़ बताया? मॉम को कि डैड को?
सबसे पहले मॉम और डैड दोनों को साथ में बताया because they were together at the time, so I told both of them together, and it was amazing. The feeling was amazing. पहले तो it had to sink in uh, in my own being कि यार this is actually happening. Of course ये एक planned pregnancy था, but at the same time जब असल में हो जाता है और मेरी जिंदगी में अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे पिछले 8-10 महीने से घपाघप एवरीथिंग इज बीन हैपनिंग बैक टू बैक, यू नो, राइट फ्रॉम द रिंग एक्सचेंज टू द वेडिंग एंड नाउ माय वाइफ बीइंग प्रेग्नेंट. सो वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट इट, एंड मॉम एंड डैड दोनों बहुत ही खुश है. Quite overwhelming for them also to know that they're becoming grandparents, but it's a good time. It's a very good time, no complaints.
So you told them the same day that you came to know both of
हाँ,
them?
मैंने दोनों को बिठा के एक ही टाइम पे न्यूज़ बताया. नहीं तो क्या होता है ना, कभी-कभी हमारे फैमिली में पॉलिटिक्स होता है कि ओह यू टोल्ड डैड फर्स्ट और यू टोल्ड
नहीं,
मॉम
लेकिन
फर्स्ट
जिस
एंड ऑल
दिन
दैट.
तुमको पता चला उसी दिन बता दिया या एक दो दिन रुके?
नहीं तो अगले दिन बताया बिकॉज हम तभी अपने लोनावला के फार्म हाउस पे थे व्हेन तानिया एंड मी गॉट टू नो. तो वी थॉट वी शुड वेट. हम लोग वापस मुंबई आए एंड देन वंस वी वर हियर, आई थिंक ये एक ऐसा ही न्यूज़ था जो फोन पे मजा आता नहीं. यू वांट टू बी physically next to your parents when you give them that news, है ना? So yeah, that's how we did it. Next day.
What was their first reaction?
My dad's like, "Itni jaldi?" And my mom was, she didn't really say much. I think she started crying. She got really overwhelmed. You know, I think it's as it is very emotional for her that finally I settled down and I'm married and I'm settled and stuff in life. And I think before she could even kind of, come to terms with that now, she already knows that she's on the way to becoming a grandmother. Yeah. So yeah, it's like, yeah, chappar phad gaye.
So are the names ready?
Yes, the names are ready. The names have been ready since a while. But let's see. Well, we obviously don't know. So we've kept options for boy and for girl. So dekhte hain.
So any preferences? You want a son, you want a daughter?
No, yaar. I mean, काफी लोग मुझसे ये सवाल पूछते हैं. We just want a happy, healthy baby, to be honest. I think that's the main thing. Yeah, boy, girl, हम दोनों को. In fact, तानिया मुझे बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The only thing is, जो हमारे घर में बहस चलती रहती है, is that because she's Singaporean, right? So she's got a Singapore passport and I have obviously an Indian passport. So we keep arguing about, what passport should our child have, and I'm like, of course, it should be Indian and this and that. And she's like, yeah, but the benefits to Singaporean passport. So that's literally the only thing we speak about pertaining to our child. But apart from that, we just want a healthy, happy baby. Yeah. Cannot wait, Vicky sir, honestly.
As I wish you all the best, I must ask you that sling, ये कहाँ से आया?
Oh, this, यार पूछो मत यार. So this was a very freak accident. आप तो जानते हो कि मैं क्रिकेट बहुत खेलता हूँ. तो it was just another normal session. हम लोग खेल रहे थे बारिश के मौसम में और मैं फिसल के गिर गया भागते समय, and unfortunately this time I fell on my left shoulder. So as soon as I hit the ground, मुझे पता था कि यार it is something serious because the pain was freaking excruciating. So luckily मम्मी भी थी तभी. हम लोग लोनावला पे थे. So they rushed me to Pune because that was closer than Mumbai, and we had to do an emergency surgery. So they've inserted a metal plate in my shoulder to rejoin the collarbone. It's going to be here for a while, so I have very limited range of mobility. So it's been a little difficult, honestly. Luckily मेरे जितने भी कमिटमेंट्स है, जैसे स्प्लिट्सविला भी अभी खत्म हो चुका है, तो आई फिनिश शूटिंग फॉर दैट. और अभी मैं एक शो के लिए प्रमोशंस के लिए मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. तो आई एम नॉट शूटिंग फॉर एनीथिंग राइट नाउ. सो मैं थोड़ा बच गया, नहीं तो बहुत मुसीबत हो जाती. बट द पेन्स बिन प्रीटी इंटेंस. या.
So what were you doing? You were running after the ball or you were batting?
नहीं, मैं बैटिंग कर रहा था. तो मैंने बस टच करके मैं भाग गया. And it was one of those freak things. ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने डाइव मारा. I did something very sensational. I just slipped off my heel, and जब I guess जब आप बारिश में खेलते हो, टर्फ पे खेलते हो, sometimes it gets a little slippery and all, one of those things. Yeah. अरे हम लोग तो बचपन से खेलते आ रहे हैं. Nothing has ever happened. Yeah. This was just, I guess when something has to happen, good or bad, वो हो ही जाता है.
So you just completed a very successful season with Splitsvilla.
Yes, yes, very happy about that. Very relieved, honestly. काफी pressure था show join करने से पहले सारे fans से. But it's been an incredible journey, honestly. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Had you seen the program first?
Yeah. I had seen it little bit here and there. I was not an avid watcher, to be honest. मैं इतना reality television India में देखता नहीं हूँ, but I think especially जब हम college में थे, तो college के दिनों में काफी मेरे जो girlfriends थे, they used to be like, "Oh, there's a show called Splitsvilla, you should watch." And I'm like, "अरे कौन देखेगा, छोड़ यार." So that was my attitude that time. But when these guys came to me, I'm like, I was a little surprised, कि यार, how come me, right? Because I don't have any background in hosting anything at all. But you should always take a meeting and see कि यार सामने वाला बंदा क्या कह रहा है, what are the expectations. And when I heard everything out, and obviously they revealed to me that this bar they're going to have that X's thing, where you get the X's and the main contestants, and I'm like, my God, this can actually be very fascinating, very धमाकेदार reality television. So I'm like, एक try तो बनता है. And of course, क्योंकि मैं सनी को पहले से जानता हूँ, हमने 6-7 साल पहले काम किया था One Night Stand में. So I'm like, okay, there's at least that familiarity that you're not working with complete strangers. So I'm like, every time something different has come about in my career and I've accepted it, something good has happened. कुछ साल पहले की बात है, जब इनसाइडर जाया था, सब कह रहे थे कि मत कर यार, ये क्या है, ये OTT क्या होता है, what is this like YouTube content, what is this? And I ended up doing it. It really changed my career and my life. So I'm like, let's go for it. And I just went in diving head first, and I thoroughly enjoyed myself.
Has anybody told you that this season was perhaps one of the most talked about seasons in the history of Splitsvilla?
Yeah, I mean, so I was in constant touch with the team over at Jio and MTV, तो वो weekly updates मुझे देते थे, and first I thought they're just being kind, like okay, they're being very supportive and encouraging, but after point, आज के जमाने में सर, जब आप जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे जाते हो या आप कहीं बाहर भी जाते हो, you understand कि आपने अगर अच्छा काम किया है, तो definitely लोग उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, and I probably have not got this amount of attention and feedback after the first season of Inside Edge. So I knew that this was something extra special. And क्योंकि क्या जब हम shoot करते, we end up shooting for about 35-40 days, and then हम लोग आगे निकल जाते. We got done shooting in mid-March, airing for over 4 months, week in and week out. So I think it just keeps the audience's interest, and it's just been crazy. यार. Also, यार, those secrets, I mean, इतने सारे secrets मुझे I had to pretend कि मुझे नहीं पता है, चाहे मैं एक शॉपिंग सेंटर में रहूं या थिएटर में रहूं या यानी कि पब्लिक बाथरूम में जाऊं, हर जगह लोग मुझसे पूछे कि यार सर बताओ ना अगले हफ्ते क्या होगा, सर बताओ ना कौन जीता है सीजन, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, एंड हाउ डू यू से, व्हाई you just got to like completely. I didn't even tell my family members. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. सब घर पे भी पूछते हैं, बीवी पूछती है, मम्मी पापा सब पूछते हैं. I'm sorry, you watch that show, I'm not saying anything.
So, what did you think of the various contestants? Start with Kashish Kapoor. She got the maximum flack in the end. She got the maximum.
I know.
Maximum,
Sir,
maximum money in the end.
I know. But with Kashish, the thing is, the moment that thing happened in the finale, I went up to her and I told her, yeah, just be prepared. There are going to be a lot of different responses. You're going to just have to bite the bullet and stand your ground. Because अभी आपने ये फैसला लिया है, you do not want to participate in the final, और आपको ये पैसे लेके घर जाने हैं, तो ठीक है, that is your individual choice. But there's going to be a crazy response. Of course, nobody could have anticipated how insane the response has been. But Sunny and me both thought she was one of the brighter contestants, and बहुत clear-minded थी. Like, she's not someone who would just like shut up. Like, I mean, like if she had a point or she didn't agree with you or something, she would be very, very vocal about it. और हम दोनों ने उसे काफी appreciate किया है, because I mean, show का format ही ऐसा है that if you don't stand up for yourself, you'll just be like completely rolled, because there's some pretty aggressive contestants in there. So, but having said that, I mean, like, she's a very bright girl, and I know for a fact that she'll bounce back, and she's got a very bright future. Yeah. You can love her, you can hate her, but you cannot ignore her.
I was talking to her a couple of days back, and then to Akriti and Jashwant also. What I gather from Akriti is that Kashish was attracted towards Jashwant. Did you feel the same?
The thing is, na, हमारे जो सेट पे इंटरेक्शंस हुआ करते थे ना, काफी लिमिटेड थे, because the only time we would interact with the contestants is when the camera was rolling, और जैसे हम खड़े होते थे.
Don't give me diplomatic answers. सुना
No,
तो
no, but it's a fact. So it's very no. Let me just explain to you, because it's very difficult for me, because I never went to the Splitsvilla to see what's happening behind closed doors. Of course, our production team would come and tell us, "Arey, aaj ye hua," because we also need to know what we need to cheer them about, right? When we're having the dome sessions, and if I need to pull a leg about something. But when I started watching the show, when it started airing, then I got a lot more perspective to what's happening. So I can neither confirm nor deny whether she was hitting on Jashwant or no, but I wouldn't be surprised because I mean he's a very good-looking boy. He's charming, and I mean at that age and in that age bracket and stuff, I definitely think that your hormones are flying all over the place. So it's entirely possible, but मेरे आंखों के सामने तो नहीं. और आपको पता है मैं आपसे हमेशा सच ही बोलता हूँ.
Okay, I'll roll on to the next question.
जी.
She was told by Akriti that you don't stand a chance in this show against.
Who was told by Akriti?
Kashish was told by Akriti, not exactly these words maybe, but आप नहीं जीतोगे, हम दो ही जीतेंगे. And do you think that was the case?
I'll tell you what I feel is that Splitsvilla जैसे शो जीतने के लिए, no matter how talented, how smart or how शातिर you are, on your own आप तो नहीं जीत सकते. आपको you have to be a couple and win the show, right? And because Kashish मेरे हिसाब से आईडी के साथ थी for a large part of the season, और वो बहुत ही sweet बंदा है, but he's also the youngest, right? मेरे हिसाब से वो is more 19 or 20, तो वो कभी-कभार काफी trigger happy हुआ करता था, and he would get carried away by what other people were talking. I feel like Kashish from the start, if she had someone like Digvijay or she had someone more mature and stuff, maybe she stood a better chance of winning at the end. Because let's face it, at the end, I mean, when they reached the finale also, वो एक power couple के तौर पर आए. They did not come as a love couple, right? So I just feel that maybe she had a little more mature partner, it could have been better. आकृति जशवंत अगर आप देखोगे तो उन दोनों के बीच में ट्यूनिंग हमेशा अच्छी थी. Like उनके बीच में झगड़े भी बहुत कम हुए. And I just feel that when you and your partner, just like it is in life, जब आप एक stand लेते हो और एक ठान लेते हो and you're on the same page, then you will go longer. Because show का format ऐसा है कि कई सारे twists और turns आने वाले हैं. चाहे वो physical challenges हो, चाहे वो emotional or mental challenges ho. It's very difficult, right? Like the way these guys have to do it, So that's why I think she made a bit of a mistake. You got to choose a very strong and like-minded partner from the start.
There was a scene which they didn't show, and I'm sure you are aware of it, that Lakshya prank on Digvijay. And he told him that tomorrow they're going to ask you to choose between Unnati and Kashish. And he said, okay, then I'll go with an Unnati. So if that had really happened, and if Lakshya's thing was not a prank, then Digvijay would have also ditched Kashish, no? Now she's being charged with this situation.
I mean, but वो दोनों तो मेरे हिसाब से मजबूरी की वजह से तो एक साथ आ गए ना, because दोनों के पार्टनर्स निकल गए थे शो से ना. Otherwise, so I mean, like they were like, especially Digvijay, तो I mean, you could see like Unnati and him were pretty gaga over each other. मेरे according to what I remember, जब वो episode हुआ था, जब we suddenly had like a 3-person eviction happening, there was a sudden dumping, right? और उन तीनों में से एक contestant उन्नति भी थी. So you could see like he was pretty gutted, यार. वो बहुत upset था, गुस्से में भी था. You could see, and I don't think he could be faking those emotions. वो set पे माहौल ही ऐसा था. So of course, I mean, उन दोनों, it's definitely real, and of course, I mean, वो बंदा तो चाहेगा कि वो जिस बंदी से प्यार करता है या पसंद करता है उसी के साथ आगे बढ़े शो पर.
So
I think that's what he was going for.
So you're telling me that Unnati is Digvijay's girlfriend?
That's what I think. So yeah. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty certain about that. Yeah. I don't think they made any bones about the fact that they're together. I don't know how things are right now. But definitely on the show, so yeah, they were pretty into each other.
No, why I'm asking you this is because if Digvijay had chosen Unnati and dumped Kashish, which is again his personal decision, as was Kashish.
Yeah.
But what is being made out now is that he's a saint, he's a fallen hero, bichara, all that. So, there is this certain thing which a lot of people don't know about him. This edited scene which Lakshya played on him, the prank. So what I'm trying to get at is that this whole perception has sort of got created about him, that he's a bichara. And do you think he's also playing the victim card at this moment?
So I don't know whether he's playing the victim card or no, but see, definitely now the thing is, of course, he would choose an Unnati over Kashish because उन दोनों के बीच में connection था. तो similarly, अगर Kashish से, for example, हमने Addy को choose करती, तो it would be understandable. I think the reason why she's getting the amount of hate that she is क्योंकि उसने किसी और बंदे या बंदी को choose नहीं किया, उसने पैसों को choose किया. And people are like, dude, Digvijay is the one guy जिसके पास इतना potential था, he didn't get to perform because of her. बट लोग ये नहीं समझ रहे हैं कि यार हर एक की मजबूरी होती है, या maybe she was not confident of performing well in the finals and she just thought that dude I'm getting 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees किसी टाटा बिरला अंबानी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, ना के बराबर है, but maybe for someone in her position it is a lot of money, right? I mean eventually if I'm not mistaken she ended up getting more prize money than the winners of the show, right? उन्होंने तो 5 लाख मिले, she got 10 lakhs. So हर एक की एक मजबूरी है and everybody's got their own thing and Kashish is not one of those people who makes
that I got.
Yeah, so I
don't. Still
I think it's an apples to oranges comparison because you can't compare, na. Of course, Digvijay would choose Unnati. Similarly, Kashish would have chosen another guy. But
yes, I got it. But my question remains unanswered, Tanuj. Is he playing the victim card?
Is he? See, I've not been following the news as of late. Whatever pops up on my Instagram, मैं देखता हूँ. मेरे हिसाब से he's not playing the victim card, but definitely because he's got so many fans out there, they are playing the victim card on his behalf. कि यार ये हमारा बंदा था, ये आगे जाता था, ये हर्ष खुशाली सबको हरा देता था, जशवंत आकृति को हराता था, blah blah blah. So I think they are the ones. Now whether it is him or his PR machinery which is behind it, मुझे नहीं पता. Frankly, we don't share this PR person, so I don't know. But definitely that is the narrative that's coming out there. You know, because सबने देखा, सनी और मैंने भी देखा कि यार इस बंदे में potential है. He performed well in the dome sessions, he performed well in the challenges, but we're never going to know if he had performed in the finals. Would he have won? Would he have lost? Who knows? So difficult to say, but definitely because उसके इतने सारे fans हैं, तो वो definitely they're playing that card. The fans.
What did you think of Shivir?
Shivir is a fun guy, man. Shivir is a guy that, you know, वो बड़ा ही smart है. He knows how to play the game. I think he's been on a bunch of reality shows. मैं बस हमें हमेशा उसकी टांग खींचा था कि यार डोम में तो परफॉर्म कर लेता है, बट पता नहीं challenges में क्या हो जाता है. You know, you just don't end up performing too well in the challenges. But he brought a lot of masala to the show, yaar, because whether it's his rivalry with Digvijay, मुझे पहले पता नहीं था that they have like you know a very old rivalry going on, which मेरे हिसाब से अब तक भी चालू है, right? It's not even resolved till now. And आकृति के साथ भी उसके कई सारे पंगे थे, and of course there was that really nasty physical brawl that happened on when the main contestants came face to face with the exes. My God, I'll never forget that day. That was intense. I've never seen something like that on a set.
Between Digvijay and
yeah, but it became like a brawl, right? Because कई सारे participants, you know, उसमें शामिल हो गए. You know? It was pretty intense. और मुझे याद है कि जब वो डोम सेशन से डंप हो गया, and then I think एक दो सेशन के बाद वापस आ गया. Oh my God, it was intense. But he was a fun contestant. He was a good guy to have. He's perfect for a show like Splitsvilla.
What did you think about the romance that was blossoming between Akriti and Shwet at some point of time?
So there was a lot of like, there was no clarity, right? I mean, because the thing is like, it was a very he said, she said thing. That first she said, like, I think he claimed that she used to tell him that she loves him and something like that, right? And she said that she didn't. And then later she sort of admitted it, but didn't fully admit it. So I don't know what the truth is. But definitely, I think you don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand that yeah, there's more to that than meets the eye. Of course, mere hisab se, if you ask me personally, definitely there's no smoke without fire. So I definitely feel that kuch to hua hoga. Maybe she was not comfortable talking about it. Maybe because it was in the past. Maybe because people Jashwant might not like it or whatever. But yeah, definitely there was something, according to me.
And Harsh and Rushali ki pairing ke bare mein kya lagta hai? Where do they go?
Very sweet. One of the most genuine couples because even they've had their roller coaster ride, you know, with someone like Shubi entering out of nowhere, you know, like the producers are so naughty. They just end up finding your past connections and stuff and all. But they really roughed it out, and I feel. In fact, I met them recently at the success party for the season, or abhi saath mein hai, and I just feel they're very very genuine pair. And you know, it's nice when a reality show like that ends up giving you like people who actually make it work in the real world, not just for the sake of the show. You know, good, solid pair. They have each other's back. They perform well in challenges. They always took a stand for themselves and for their relationship. So मैं उनको appreciate करता हूँ. I feel the strongest couples were Jashwant Akriti and Harsh Rushali. If you're talking from a compatibility point of view, मेरे हिसाब से. Yeah.
They are made for each other.
I think so. I think they are. सही tuning है.
Well, Tanuj, all I can say now is that we are looking forward to the arrival in your family.
Yes.
May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.